Hello friends, I am Mukesh Singh. In this video, we are going to deploy a ReactJS app to Azure App Service by using Visual Studio Code. So without wasting time, just jump into the demo. And before that, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.
For this demo, there is only two prerequisites. One is you should have an Azure App Service extension. So if I go here and see the extensions, I had installed this Azure App Service extension. And once you have this extension installed, you will get this icon here where you need to log in into your Azure subscription. So a subscription should be there. So already I had logged in. So I'm getting in this way where it is showing the different kind of like it's showing my subscription and all these services which I can use. And if you come here to project, already I had created it's a very basic project. So it is by using npx create react app and the app name, and already I'm running it. So as you can see it here, and here it is running it, just saying I had just updated this welcome message, welcome to tech word with Mukesh. So it is, so now we will try to deploy it over Azure App Service. And what we are going to do is we will be creating the app service uh, from here itself. So let's do that. So for that, right click and create new web app. So once we do this, enter the globally unique name. So I'll give tech word. So if this name is not globally unique, so when we are creating it, it will give an error. So runtime, I'll select as Node 20 LTS, and I'll be using this free tier. So now it is here. If you could see, it is creating the web app. So it will take few minutes, and mostly it is very quick. So it is deploying it. Now you can see here, it is giving message create a web app Mukesh tech word succeeded, and it is prompting to deploy. So either we can use this one, or here as well we can right click and do this deploy to web app. So if we select this, we get option to browse. So we'll browse, and we need to give this a root folder of the application. So I had given this, and if I select, are you sure you want to deploy it to Mukesh TechWord? This will override any previous deployment and cannot be undone. So whatever things which were deployed previously over TechWord, Mukesh TechWord, this web application, it will be overwritten and it cannot be undone. So when we create the web app, that time Azure provides a default site. If you want to see, I can just show you quickly. So if we come here, we'll see already there is a resource group created, and here is this our web app. And here we can find a URL which with which we can access our web app. So here we have this default domain URL. So I clicked over it, and here if you could see, it is loading. So it will be loaded in the web. As you can see here, your web app is running and waiting for your content. So this is the default content which Azure provides. So now what we'll do is we'll deploy our own content. So if we come here, and already if you remember, I had right clicked over app service and then selected the root folder of our application, and then it gave a message, are you sure you want to deploy to Mukesh Tech World? This will overwrite any previous deployment. So click on deploy. So as you can see here, it is started deploying, and it will take a while, and I'll be back once it is deployed. As you can see here, we have this message deployed to app Mukesh Tech World succeeded. So now let's go to the browser and see yeah, if we can see it. So let's refresh this, and as it is first time, it will take a while. So I'll be keep refreshing, and once it's available, I'll show you. As you can see here, it is available on techwordmukesh.azurewebsites.net, the default domain. So that's it for this. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.